Did you know that effective stress management is not only crucial for your well-being but also plays a significant role in your professional success? As a busy professional juggling multiple responsibilities, it's easy to become overwhelmed and burnt out. However, by incorporating practical stress management techniques into your daily routine, you can regain control, enhance productivity, and experience greater satisfaction in both your personal and professional life. In this video, we will explore powerful strategies to help you beat stress and thrive amidst the demands of your busy career. One powerful technique for managing stress is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness involves intentionally bringing your attention to the present moment, without judgment. Throughout your day, take brief pauses to ground yourself in the present. For example, during a hectic workday, pause for a few minutes to focus on your breath, bringing your attention back to the sensations of inhaling and exhaling. You can also use mindfulness apps like Headspace or Calm to guide you through quick meditation sessions or offer soothing sounds to help you relax during breaks. Another effective stress management tool is maintaining a healthy work-life balance. It's essential to set boundaries and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout. For instance, establish a clear separation between work and personal life by designating specific times for work and leisure. Create a routine that includes activities you enjoy, such as exercising, spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or engaging in relaxation techniques like yoga or deep breathing exercises. Make sure to schedule these activities into your calendar, just like any other work-related commitment. Additionally, developing effective time management skills can significantly reduce stress levels. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes followed by short breaks, to maximize productivity while avoiding mental exhaustion. Prioritize tasks by using a to-do list or project management app that helps in breaking down larger projects into smaller, manageable steps. By having a clear plan and utilizing time management tools, you can alleviate stress caused by feeling overwhelmed or disorganized. Keep in mind, stress management is a continuous practice, and it's important to find what works best for you. Experiment with various techniques, be patient with yourself, and remain committed to self-care. By incorporating mindfulness, maintaining work-life balance, and utilizing effective time management, you'll develop the resilience and capacity to handle stress with grace and achieve greater professional success while nurturing your well-being. Take the first step today and embrace the transformative power of effective stress management. Now, I challenge you to choose one stress management technique mentioned here and integrate it into your daily routine. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below and inspire others with your journey of conquering stress as a busy professional. Together, let's create a community of empowered individuals thriving amidst the challenges of professional life. For more inspiration and ideas on self-care, subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page, Healthy Minds, Happy Lives.